American black bear. This is the most widespread bear in North America, found from Canada down into parts of Mexico. It likely traces back to bear populations that moved into the continent from Eurasia long ago, then adapted to forests, mountains, and even areas near towns. Despite the name, its fur can be black, brown, cinnamon, or even blonde, which often surprises people. It is a flexible eater, taking berries, nuts, insects, fish, and carrion depending on season and place. That adaptability matters because it helps the species survive in changing landscapes while also making human-bear coexistence an important issue. Brown bear. Brown bears live across parts of North America, Europe, and Asia, and they include well-known regional forms like grizzlies and Kodiaks. They came from ancient Eurasian bear lines and spread widely, shaping into different populations based on climate and food. A shoulder hump of powerful muscle sets them apart, giving them strength to dig roots, flip rocks, and hunt large prey when needed. In salmon regions, they become famous fishers, while inland populations may rely more on plants and carcasses. They matter ecologically as top-level omnivores that move nutrients through the landscape and influence many other species. Polar bear. Polar bears evolved from brown bear ancestors and became specialists of the Arctic sea ice world. They are found around the northern polar regions, especially where drifting ice lets them hunt seals at breathing holes and ice edges. Their long neck, narrow skull, large paws, and thick fat layer make them built for cold water and long-distance travel. Unlike most other bears, they are strongly meat-based hunters, with seal blubber as a key energy source. They matter because they are tightly linked to sea ice, so their status reflects wider climate changes happening across the Arctic. Asian black bear. This bear ranges across forests from Iran and the Himalayas through China, Korea, Japan, and parts of Southeast Asia. It likely descends from old Eurasian bear branches and stayed mostly tied to wooded mountain habitats. A pale crescent mark on the chest gives it the nickname moon bear, and it is also known for climbing trees well. Its diet is broad, including fruits, nuts, insects, and small animals, which helps it handle seasonal shifts. It matters both as a seed spreader in forest ecosystems and as a species that faces pressure from habitat loss and illegal wildlife trade. Sun bear. The sun bear is the smallest living bear, native to tropical forests of Southeast Asia. It comes from Asian bear lineages, but adapted to warm, dense rainforests instead of cold northern climates. With a short black coat, a pale chest patch, and an especially long tongue, it is built to pull insects and honey from nests and crevices. Its curved claws and compact body help it climb and forage in trees as much as on the ground. It matters because it supports forest health through seed dispersal and insect control. Yet, it is one of the least known and most threatened bears. Sloth bear. Sloth bears live mainly in India, with smaller populations in Nepal and Sri Lanka, and they evolved for a very different feeding style than most bears. Their shaggy coat, loose lips, and reduced front teeth help them vacuum up termites and ants with loud suction. They do eat fruit and other foods too, but insect feeding is their signature, especially in dry forests and grassland edges. Mothers carry cubs on their backs, which is unusual among bears and easy to recognize in the wild. They matter in their ecosystems by managing insect populations, and in human landscapes, they highlight how conservation must include safe corridors and conflict prevention. Andean bear. The Andean bear, also called the spectacled bear, is the only bear native to South America. It lives along the Andes, from Venezuela to Bolivia, using cloud forests, high grasslands, and mountain slopes. Pale facial markings that often look like glasses make each individual look a little different. It spends much of its time feeding on plants such as bromeliads, fruits, and cactus, though it can also take small animals. It matters as a key seed disperser in fragile mountain habitats and as a symbol of how connected highland and forest ecosystems need protection together. Giant panda. The giant panda is native to mountain bamboo forests in central China and represents a very old, distinct bear lineage, even though it belongs to the bear family. It has become a bamboo specialist, using a modified wrist bone like a thumb to grip stems. Its black and white coat is instantly recognizable, and its feeding routine is intense because bamboo is low in energy and must be eaten in large amounts. Historically, panda numbers fell due to habitat loss and fragmentation, but long-term protection and reserve networks have improved the outlook in many areas. It matters not only as a species in recovery, but also as a conservation umbrella that protects whole mountain forest communities.